Have you ever wondered about the state of your lungs and how you can improve their health? Our lungs, the marvelous machines they are, can often accumulate toxins from a variety of sources such as air pollution, smoking, or even everyday cleaning products. The health of our lungs is vital, and the burden of toxins they carry can weigh them down. But don't let this information leave you breathless. Relax, because there are simple, natural ways to detoxify your lungs right at home. Ready to dive into the detox process? Great! Let's begin with hydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential. It helps flush out toxins, keeping your respiratory system in top shape. Now, let's talk diet. Foods like ginger, turmeric, and leafy greens are your lungs' best friends. They work tirelessly to cleanse your lungs from within. Next up, the power of breath. Deep breathing exercises are a game changer. They clear out stagnant air and significantly improve lung function. So take a moment each day to breathe deeply. Feel the air fill your lungs, then slowly release it. Essential oils can also lend a helping hand. Eucalyptus and peppermint oils, when used in a diffuser or for steam inhalation, are great for supporting respiratory health. Lastly, don't forget the role of regular exercise. It not only strengthens your lungs but also detoxifies them by increasing oxygen flow throughout your body. With these steps, you're on your way to healthier, cleaner lungs. So, just to jog your memory on what we've covered: staying hydrated, eating lung-cleansing foods, doing deep breathing exercises, using certain essential oils, and regular exercise are all key components of a successful lung detox. Each of these steps supports your respiratory health by helping to clear out toxins and increase oxygen flow. Give these tips a try and breathe in that fresh, clean air. Until next time, take care of your lungs, and they'll take care of you.